Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting data, back up anything essential now. Once done, open Command Prompt as administrator so commands can alter the disk. Type chkdsk/f/r and press Enter. If Windows reports the volume is in use, schedule the scan at next boot. Make sure to note the drive letter you target, especially with multiple partitions. This step finds bad sectors and fixes file system errors. It can take from minutes to hours, depending on drive size and condition. After chkdsk finishes, run System File Checker to heal protected system files. sfc/scano, do not interrupt the process. If SFC flags issues it cannot fix, run dism with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to retrieve healthy components from Windows Update. Once dism completes, run SFC again to confirm repairs. Make sure to reboot between these utilities so pending repairs apply. These combined tools fix corrupted system images and restore stability without wiping your settings or apps. To finish, verify results. Check Event Viewer under Windows Logs or run chkdsk/scan for an online integrity check. Once you confirm repairs, let Windows Update and run a full backup. If problems continue or Smart reports reallocated sectors, assume hardware failure, clone the drive immediately and plan replacement. One key troubleshooting tip: if repairs fail repeatedly, boot from Windows installation media and run the same tools from recovery environment. That avoids locked files and gives deeper access to fix stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.